In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xiaomi Pad 6 to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can connect two Xiaomi devices together. So if you have a Xiaomi Pad 6 and a Xiaomi phone, you will be able to use this function to connect them both. You can also connect the Pad 6 to other brands' devices, so other smartphones like Samsung and so on, but the process will be different. For this particular video, I want to showcase the method that is shared between all Xiaomi devices. It is called interconnectivity. This feature that is available on the settings will allow you to connect all of your devices together in the same ecosystem, and this gives you the option to easily transfer files across all of them. You can share documents, share contacts. You will get the same notification across all devices, and you can choose how you want to manage or respond. And you can even take pictures with your phone, transfer them directly into the Pad 6, and so on. There's a lot to explore. So first of all, make sure that interconnectivity is enabled on both the Pad 6 and your smartphone. Both devices will need to be signed into the same Xiaomi account. So this is the main requirement. So if you haven't set up a Xiaomi account already, go into the settings, find Xiaomi Hub, and create your account. Sign into the same account on both devices. And afterwards, just ensure that they are in close proximity and also on the same Wi-Fi network. With these main requirements done, as soon as Xiaomi interconnectivity is enabled and you put them in close proximity, you will see this message here. So on your phone or on your tablet, it is going to ask for permission. Allow this device to view and interact with this device's screen content. So choose always allow or once if you only want to try out this feature, but I recommend just doing always allow. And if everything was set up properly, you will be able to connect them both together. You might have to grant a permission. So as you can see here, they are instructing us to open settings, interconnectivity, and permissions to allow other devices. As long as the permissions are allowed, they will then be connected. You will find options like the one that I mentioned that gives you the control over the phone, so you can take pictures using your phone and they will be sent directly into the tablet as if you took them using the tablet instead. You can transfer files by simply highlighting them. So if you go over to your gallery and you choose a specific picture, you will find the option to send this picture, and the tablet is going to be one of the destinations, and there's a lot to explore. I'm not going to go into every single thing that you can do once they are connected, but by setting up interconnectivity, you will be able to access all of these features. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Xiaomi Pad 6 to phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.